Assalamualaikum, legend people. It's me, MD Pranto, who is speaking in English in front of you as an English learner because it's very interesting for me to speak in English in front of you. For this reason, every day I try to practice in English when I visit my land. As you can see, at this moment I'm staying here in my favorite field as well as I'm walking to see this field. After a couple of days later, again I have come here. Though I was supposed to come this field, but I didn't have enough time. Consequently, today in the afternoon time, I am here. So, as you can see, my Vitaly field. To be honest, this type of field is very necessary for the patient because when we need money that time we can sell this leaf. But if I say about another food I can sell without season. But if any peasant cultivates this fibrosol, they can sell when those peasants need money. But to cultivate this leaf, it's very difficult because if any farmer want to cultivate this leaf, first of all, those peasants have to select a good land. The soil will be perfect for this leaf because every types of soil is not perfect to cultivate this and need a highland. There don't stay any water when the rainy season comes. The second important thing is the patient will have to select there are enough opportunity to give the water in the winter season or not, because in the winter season after couple of days later, as a patient I am to give the water. Before 5 days ago the water has been given in this field, and again after a couple of days later I will have to give the water in this field. So this is really green view, and this type of environment it's very necessary for me because I don't like to practice in English next to the people at this moment. That's why most of the time you know that I practice in English alone, where nobody is stay beside me. So if you want to improve your English pronunciation and if you feel shy, you can follow this step. It will be crucial, it will be helpful for you. So now today, mercy pray for me. See you again next video.